Top 5 military handguns of all time. Let's hit the target. Number 5. The Sig Sauer P226. Trusted for its precision and reliability. Number 4. The Beretta M9. Iconic in the US military since the 80s. Number 3. The Glock 17. Lightweight, durable, and wildly popular. Number 2. The Colt M1911. Over a century of battlefield excellence. And the number 1 military handgun ever. The Browning High Power. Legendary design and unmatched performance. Think we missed any? Drop a comment. Like and subscribe for more military marvels.